So, after installing the tail tidy of the Evotech Performance, we have this result, but I don't like this gap that they have, and I'm thinking, why should they have this gap? Why should they have this part here with this gap? So I wanted the license plate to be held in this part, so I made the rubber part by myself, and I installed here double-sided tape. I will install this here like that, so this will hold the license plate steady. Here is the rubber part. I will push a bit the license plate and I will push hard here to make it steady. Okay, and the next part, now it's looking very good, you see, not moving at all. And now the next part is to cover these holes. I'm gonna use these plastic bolts like that, and I think it will be much better. And it will be like that. It's too long, so I will cut these bolts. Very good. This is the final result, and like that here. Okay, and next what we will do is to buy some covers for these nuts. I will order this from Temu or AliExpress.